What are the different college admission deadline types? There are four main deadline types that you will likely encounter as you navigate the admissions process: rolling, regular decision, early action, and early decision. Let's take some time to explore each of these deadline types. A rolling deadline means there is no set application deadline, and students can apply to that college at any time between the application opening and the close of the admission cycle. This allows a college to roll out their decisions on a continuous basis, and it can get more competitive to be admitted at these colleges as they fill their class. So applying at the beginning of senior year is usually a good goal. Regular decision describes a college's traditional application deadline. These deadlines typically fall in the beginning of January. Some colleges will also give applicants the opportunity to apply early through either an early action or early decision deadline. Both early action and early decision deadlines typically fall in early to mid-November and usually allow a student to receive their decision back prior to the new year. However, there is one major difference between these deadline types. While early action is non-binding, early decision is binding. Students who apply to a college via early decision must enroll at that institution if admitted, and withdraw their application from all other colleges they have applied to. It's important for a student to carefully consider which deadline type will offer them the best opportunity to put forth the highest quality application, while still indicating their strong desire to be a student at that college.